When you need to keep one person visible while redacting everyone else, Redactor gives you a direct way to do it using Keep Unredacted. Let's walk through it step by step. Click Add Media and upload your video. Once it loads, you'll be in the editor. Go to Auto Detect. For this example, we will select Heads Only and uncheck all other detection types. Click Submit and wait for detection to complete. This keeps the workflow precise and focused. Open the Objects panel below the video. Click through each detected object. As you click, the video will jump to that person. Use this to identify the person you want to keep visible. Select the correct object. Right-click either directly on the bounding box in the video or inside the Objects panel. Click Keep Unredacted. This tells Redactor, do not apply redaction to this object. Click Render and Export. Choose your redaction style, for example, Mosaic. Adjust intensity if needed, and hit Export. Preview the video, and you should see your selected person stays visible, all other detected objects remain redacted. Now click Export Video and download your file. Keep Unredacted is the fastest way to isolate a subject while protecting everyone else in the scene. Just remember, this works on detected objects, so your detection settings directly control what gets affected.